I want a fresh, healthy snack. I'm really hungry. Make some guac with me. Come on. Hey, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, I am hungry. I'm about to make me some guacamole real quick. I thought that I would make it so that you can see how I make my guac. I think my guac is good. I do different stuff to it each time. You know what? If you save the seed and put the seed in with the guac, it helps it from going brown. So I cut it up. You know what? I usually like to put a little salt on it before I scoop it out. But the seed keeps it from getting brown if you sit it out. I love to make little stuffed avocados. That's so nice. Almost I do it like tacos. It's a nice little boat. You can get real creative with the use of the avocado skin. Have fun with it. Some fresh lime juice. Yeah, like lime juice just really sets off the flavor. I'm gonna put the rest of it in there. And then I got some dehydrated red onions that I like. This is great for real quick. I like the pre-packaged avocado seasoning. You can find it in the deli. I really like fresh cilantro. The fresher, the better. It makes a tasty difference. And then I'm going to squeeze the rest of this lemon juice. A thorough, particular, chunky mix is my secret. That's my guac. Already, I got some fresh chips that were freshly fried. A hot bag of chips. Oh my goodness. Let me see if this needs anything. Because I discovered that little sauce. This seasoning is in the produce section. And it's good. It's good for some really quick guac. It's quick and easy. I add more stuff to mine sometime, but I'm hungry right now. So it worked out great. Make you some guac, girl. Throw you a little something together. Get you something fresh. It tastes so much better. So good.